Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. As most of you now know, my name is John. I'm the client manager for the firm. I'm a practicing British and international lawyer and member of the International Bar Association. Here I'm backed up by in-house Thai attorneys, barristers, accountants and consultants. Our award-winning team, based just by Big C Pattaya Thai, are here for all of your legal and accounting needs. Now today we're here to speak about some client issues that we've had where clients are coming to us post-event. Over the past couple of months, you've all seen the scrutiny by the Land Office, the Department of Business Development and the Special Investigations DSI Police. They're cracking down on nominee companies, they're cracking down on nominee structures and foreign nationals circumventing laws to own and register land. Now, many of you may think this is just because of companies, etc. But now the Land Office have directives from Land Office headquarters to scrutinise and investigate foreign nationals who are registering or attempting to register sale and purchase of properties, let's say condominiums, sale and purchase of properties via Thai entities, it could be their girlfriends, their husbands, their wives, etc., and registering any real rights such as usufruct, lease, superficies, sapping sith. Now, these are all rights that are laid down in law for Thai nationals and overseas nationals to use and register to protect their occupation, rights and management of land. And we've registered these as a firm since 2007. Some clients are now coming to us who have not been engaged with us before, who are nationwide in Thailand, for instance, Chiang Mai, Phuket, Korat, Pattaya, etc. They're now facing problems where they've gone with their husbands, wives, partners, etc. to register a personal right over land. The land officers are investigating the source of funds. They're looking actively at where the funds have come from, and they are denying the registration of simple legal rights. Now, this is as a directive and a direct crackdown and in the investigations into who is holding land, for what purpose, and legitimately the source of funds. Now, sadly, this is extending not just to people coming in who may be leasing land from a Thai national, which is completely legal, but it's also looking at married couples. For example, one party came to us and they'd been married and living in Thailand as man and wife for 20 years. They went to register a specific right over the land, and the Land Office refused to do it because the money that was originally for the house years and years and years ago came from the husband. Now, under Thai family law, marital assets are joint marital assets. So, of course, you can have assets from man to wife, wife to man. But now, under the land code, because the money came from the foreign national, the husband, they are rejecting the right to register. Thankfully, the clients have came to us and we've organised an interview with the relevant land office to explain that they are man and wife and that, of course, funds are commingled. Down in Phuket, bigger leases where foreign nationals have legitimately, from developers, purchased villas, condominiums and so forth via a 30-year lease. A properly drafted 30-year lease or sapping sith that is entitlements under law to hold the land as a foreign national. But again, land officers are investigating the source of funds. Now, of course, if you're a foreign national and you're investing 50 million into a villa, it's your source of funds. But that funds are going to the developer who are providing you a lease. But again, the land officers are refusing it because they believe it's a way of circumventing land ownership. So now you have to realistically prove your source of funds. The Thai person or the owner of the land will have to show where the funds came from for the development or for the house or for the condominium or for the land, etc. and so forth. If it is seen by the Land Office that it is from a foreign source of funds, at this moment they're either requesting more information, requesting an interview with all parties, or flatly refusing to register a legitimate legal lease. So for people looking to buy property, land, especially with spouses or where you have a girlfriend, boyfriend, and you're leasing land from them, you have to now be meticulous with your preparation. because the officers will be looking at the financial trail and they're looking for reasons to essentially say no. This is going to become a bigger problem as we move forward through 2026. So the purpose of this video is to pre-warn clients. You have the ultimate right to register these restrictions, leases, usufruct, superficies, sapping sit, and so forth, to protect your occupation and property rights. Ultimately, the source of funds is being investigated. It may be that things quieten down over the next few months. It may be that at the moment, because of heightened scrutiny and heightened security, land officers are being overly vigilant, doing their job, which they're there to do, but perhaps not fully understanding the mechanisms of why. That's why we're here. Our dedicated lawyers, accountants, consultants have decades of experience working with the land officers, advising on protocols, advising at times the land officers themselves on the rule of law. That's not to say that by coming to us or another firm that you're going to have a free pass and you're going to get to do whatever you want. Ultimately, it's the land officer's discretion and decision. But by engaging with a law firm, a reputable law firm, ourselves or many others, you have the ability to have background information, advice, counsel and assistance. Navigating land has always been difficult and burdensome. Now, in July 2026, it's heightened. We have the letters that the Land Office have sent to each individual land office itself, with the guidance, with the strict enforcement policies, and having read it, it is an absolute minefield. And to be honest, I'm surprised they understand it themselves. However, it's there, and we're here, as are other law firms, to assist you through the process. We want to make sure that if you're investing capital into any purchase in the country, that your wishes, your rights are enforced. We will do everything we can to assist you through the process and navigate the Land Office system. So again, it's just an advisory. Many people are still buying, many people are still building, and they want that added layer of security. All this video is for is to say, be prepared for an interview, be prepared to show financial input or relationship status. For all of your legal and accounting needs, my award-winning team is here. Just by Big C Patayatay. Drop in, say hello, drop us an email. Share this to your community, to your friends who may be looking to invest. It's important for information for them to know. Give us a thumbs up, give us a share, give us a like, follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube for more updates. We're here to provide the best information we can and update you, our clients and community. Again, thanks for watching.